Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Before you read this, hit subscribe real quick. Your support keeps the stories coming. I'm Sarah. I am 28 years old. I live in San Francisco's No Valley, in a sunny studio apartment. I have plants everywhere. Lately I'm hooked on dance classes. Adult group at the community center. Wednesday nights we groove out. All the week's stress disappears. I'm the older one in the class. My sisters call me Sis. I always pull new people into chats. But after that birthday party night, I woke up completely confused. My nightstand had a soft blue scarf. It was definitely not mine. It smelled like lavender soap. Boom, my brain froze in place. Did something crazy go down? Was I too drunk? Who left this scarf here? The SF fog was gray and cold. Light hit the embroidered corner. That is Amy's style, I thought. Amy is my dance buddy. She's 25, bubbly, and bright. Always first to high-five in class. She says, "Sar, you move like a pro." We've been tight since sign-up day. We share coffee and secrets. But now this scarf, it felt wrong. My gut twisted hard. Did she cross a line with me? I rubbed my temples slowly. Flashbacks from karaoke were fuzzy. Our crew toasted Mia's birthday. Cold IPAs kept pouring fast. I remember Amy helping me home. Sis, you're wasted, I got you. Then blackout. I woke up at dawn. The scarf just sitting there. I've been married 5 years. Tom is loyal and calm. College sweethearts to cozy routines. We do brunches, yoga, lazy weekends. Life was sweet until this scarf. Did Amy feel something deeper? Did she borrow alcohol for courage? No, it can't be. She knows I wear a wedding ring. But doubt creeps in quietly. I drove to class anyway. Bart rattled through the tunnel. Bay light flashed through the window. I stared at the scarf again. She borrows my lip gloss sometimes. Says the shade pops your glow. She demos close to me. Hands brush and linger. I thought it was sisterly. Now it felt maybe more. The room filled with music. Amy walked in, waved bright. Sis, crash okay last night? Her voice was light, eyes crinkled. My heart skipped a beat. Yeah, fine, I lied. She laughed, toting you home wiped me out. The crew giggled. We started our waltz spins. My shoulder brushed hers close. Her cheeks looked a bit flushed. Like someone hiding a secret. Amy, I said softly. Thanks for last night, this scarf yours. She paused, slipped a step. Oh yeah, I used it, it was cold. Her excuse was smooth. But her fingers fidgeted. Why so jumpy, Amy? What did we talk about? That made you so nervous? She froze completely. Took a deep breath. Sar. I just wanted advice. But I hate bugging you. The clouds parted slowly. Half the room lit up. What advice? Tell me. She bit her lip. Looked down, voice trembling. I've been single for years. I envy your bond with Tom. I asked for couple wisdom. You comforted me, I cried. The scarf fell, you tucked it away. The misunderstanding cleared. But tears still glimmered. Why were you crying, Amy? I held her hand tight. Amy, tell me the truth. Her eyes filled with tears. I have a thyroid nodule. Surgery soon. I'm terrified. Didn't tell anyone, only you. The truth dropped heavy. I hugged her hard. You silly girl, why hide this? The studio mirror reflected us, side by side in golden light. My heart ached for her pain. Humans bottle up hurt, afraid to weigh others down. But real bonds spark strength. I told Tom that night. He frowned. Are you sure? What if she's after pity? Tom, how can you think that? He sighed. I just fear losing you. Wind flapped the curtains. I lay awake thinking of Amy. Next morning, Golden Gate Park. Cherry petals floated softly. We sat with coffee cups. Amy said, surgery's on me. I said, no, we'll help. She grabbed my hand. You make me trust again. Weeks later she recovered. Sunlight filled the clinic window. She wrapped the blue scarf around my neck, smiling. It's our lucky charm now. Now we dance again. Weekends filled with laughter. The scarf hangs in my closet. It reminds me every day. Talk beats doubt. Trust heals fast. If you've faced misunderstandings, share your story below. We mend our hearts together. Like and subscribe. The next story will be cozy and true.